Guess what? We are traveling again. Yes, sir. Let's go. I don't know if it's the best time to travel because it's been raining more for 3 consecutive days now, and I don't know if it's the perfect time to travel. But guess what? I have Yuki with me. Yes. Hope the roads are gonna be not too rough on us more. And yeah, yeah, Yuki.
We'll have fun. We'll have a lot of fun.
Who made this waterfall famous? This person, this guy over here, made this waterfall famous. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm playing with you guys. All right, guys. So much in Nimni travel, baby. We're here at Konglung right now, and Dato Zumchibache. We're here at Sherubtse, and I'm here with Sange Lode. Say hi
Hi.
to the vlog.
Hello.
And we are here for the second Bhutan SDG Partnership Week. And natung achi ground na nakong parade ki practice na I'll show you some glimpse of the practice and nabo the main day. So main day gada I'll let you guys know. All right. So make sure you all stay tuned and do not leave the vlog yet. All right. And
In the burning sun, in the tortured village.
are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I will be performing and I'll be doing a panel
Yes,
discussion.
and I'll
so-
be emceeing for the main like concert night. So yeah, pretty nervous and excited as well. We'll keep you guys posted.
And you'll learn about his dramatic story on the stage of sherubtse.
See you guys. Day 1. This year's SDG Partnership Week focused on gender equality. We kicked off with an inspiring parade of girls proudly holding the UN SDG goals flags. The atmosphere was electric.
A round of applause now.
After the parade, we dove into fun and engaging sport activities with students and lecturers.
She is gonna kick the ball to two people blindfolded, red and blue. Will they be able to block the ball? Keep watching. Yes. And oh, and then she does it again. Yes. Yes. And then she shoots. Can you give a brief summary for our audience on the partnership week?
So this UN SDG Partnership Week is being celebrated here in Shrubs College, and I'm so happy that the students, they are so excited and they are understanding what the sustainable development goals are, and they are participating in it.
What message do you want the students, the youth, to take from this week?
I want youth to dream big. I want them to be anchored in values. I want them to do good things, to be a good daughter, a good son, a good brother, a good sister, a good wife, and a good husband, right? So in any role that they have, they should excel in any role that they have. Go for good careers, but everything should be anchored in values. Don't go for alcohol, tobacco. Keep away from that. Keep away from teenage pregnancies. Keep away from suicides. Right? Life is beautiful. Celebrate every day, and grow spiritually. Grow in your values. This is the way to go. And each day has to be celebrated. Life has to be celebrated and valued.
Thank you very much. That's one for our youth. Thank you. So we are going to be playing the tug of war. 2 and 1. Come on! Ooh, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. There are less people on this side and there are more people that side. Woo! And the winner is the line with the more people. And then the people look very equal right now. And three, and two, and one. Ooh. All right. Ooh, they're losing, they're losing. What is this change of events?
Morning, my name is Sring Wangdi. I work at sherubtse College. I'm currently working in the management. Yes, yes, the president of the college.
So, how do you feel about the SDG, Bhutan SDG Partnership Week?
Yes, I think it's a very overwhelming experience, especially for us, given the fact that we have been given this huge responsibility. And for now, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. And as I spoke today morning, it's actually a wonderful opportunity for us to, learn, to be engaged, and to actually really understand the potential of our younger generations. So it's actually a very overwhelming experience for us, and I'm very happy that this is happening here.
It's great. Knowing that the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals, is a part of the curriculum for the students here, right? So,
Yes.
how do you feel the students will take this week as?
I think it will give them added in terms of learning experience. They have been confined to the classroom and the lectures and what the lectures actually deliver in the class. Now they can, you know, with first-hand experience, understand how practically it can be implemented, and of course, the conversation, the panel discussion, which I'm also looking forward to, is something I think that will give us an understanding of how our younger generations see SDG as part of teaching and learning at the college level.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys, so I'm with one of the students of sherubtse, and he has been and is a very active participant of this event. So can you please introduce yourself first?
Uh, Good everyone. My name is Sonam Wangchu, and I'm a first year student currently pursuing PhD in chemistry.
So what do you think about this event that is happening in the college?
I feel like SDG is very crucial for all beings. Lah. So today I've witnessed many special things, starting from SDG parade performed by the girls, and especially the sports they are currently enjoying.
So do you have any particular favorite SDG goals such as gender equality? So do you have any particular feelings about gender equality?
Yes, I like the goal number 2, no hunger.
No hunger. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Ugen Yangzom, and currently I'm pursuing DCPM in second year at Sherubtse College.
I have seen your performance earlier this morning, and the title was Mo. So it's basically about gender equality. So do you have anything to say about your performance and gender equality?
I guess our performance was mainly to empower the women, saying that we all women have the equal opportunity as the men, and I feel proud.
So is there any particular feelings that you have towards this SDG program today?
Um, uh, I feel like now as the world is changing, every woman has this equal opportunities as the men, uh, and I feel that every woman can achieve.
In the evening, we visited a village community center, shared ideas for future collaboration, and were touched with villagers' generosity with fresh vegetables. The second day started with three lively panel discussions where students passionately explored the SDGs.
My name is Sahil Sapkota and I'm currently studying in class 10. My school name is Champlain Central School, and today I've attended the SDG program, which is initiated by our United Nations, celebrating 80 years of United Nations, and there were several panel discussions held. And the first panel discussions was about gender equality, climate change. So it was, we are not in the future, we are now. So I learned about gender equality, that female and male, be it gender, everyone should be treated equally, and climate change is one of the greatest concerns of the world. And next panel discussion, we learned about the voices that are not heard enough. So it also basically talks about equality, maintaining equality among the genders. So we were briefed about different parts of the Bhutan where the voices are not heard and how we can maintain equalities. And third discussion was about innovation, about how we can encourage young minds to innovate new things that can help in promoting the social well-being in Bhutan. And together, all of them connect to GNH philosophy, which will help us to live a better life in our country. Thank you.
My name is Ngong Silhamu. I study at Champlain Central School and I'm in 10th grade. First of all, I had never heard the term SDG, but today I learned that SDG means Sustainable Development Goals. So during the first panel, we learned about gender equality, and today I learned that gender equality does not only mean treating girls as if like they know everything and they should be given everything. Instead, I have understood further that girls should earn their right to have equal opportunities. The second panel was about climate action, and in that panel I learned that we youth, we must not wait for the future saying that we will start tomorrow, and instead we should start right now and we should work hard to better shape our future. The third panel discussion was about hearing the voices of the people. So I learned that some people in rural areas and some genders are not treated equally, and we should do our best as a youth to treat them equally in the future. The last panel discussion was about entrepreneurship mainly. So I learned that entrepreneurship is not only about profit making, but rather solving problems and finding the solutions to the problems.
After the insightful discussions, we relished a delicious lunch at the college mess. The evening was a highlight as we joined forces with students, volunteers, and the UN team for a rewarding cleaning campaign at Sherubtse College. Alright guys, so that's doba le go to bed after lunch since panel discussion na demos, and now we are gonna go for a cleaning campaign.
Clean campaign.
Alright, Sherubtse students. Alright guys, so today is the last day of the second Bhutan SDG Partnership Week, and this is how it looks like. Day 3. We wrapped up the week with a vibrant food festival, where students served up mouth-watering dishes and organized fun games and art exhibition. The talent on display was incredible.
Honey, Indian food. Honey.
Wow! Ano to guys? Samosa, pezi, Manipuri. She's strolling on bro. Okay. Man, let's go.
Yo, what's good?
Alright. Ni, nanlik purang cha gitu.
Cha, to cha. Gatput yoda business at.
sherubtse mo.
Bhutan SDG Partnership Week.
Bhutan SDG Partnership Week.
Bhutan SDG Partnership Week. Bhutan SDG Partnership Week.
Bhutan SDG Partnership Week.
Bhutan SDG Partnership Week.
We concluded the SDG Partnership Week with an unforgettable musical concert by the students. It was a beautiful week at Sherubtse College, filled with learning, inspiration, and a strong sense of community. We hope that the students truly embrace the SDG message, and we are excited for an even better SDG Partnership Week next year.